Hey, I'm Skylar. If you live in this century, you've probably heard of Skype. It's a pretty cool tool that allows you to place calls over the internet. It's called Voice over IP. And Skype for iPod actually allows you to connect with multiple people at the same time. So let's say I'm hanging out with my sister and she and I want to call my dad who's in Los Angeles. Pretty straightforward, right? Well, we kind of want good audio quality though, so we're going to have to get some sort of speakerphone system rigged up. And that's where this comes in. It's made by Jawbone. It's called a Jambox, and it connects via Bluetooth. So you could use it with an iPod Touch, iPhone, or iPad. So basically, I could just set this on the table, turn it on, and pair it with my iPod, and then get Skype, and I'd be able to group call or call just an individual and have everybody in the room connected via that. How's that sound? Pretty good? There are a lot of other Bluetooth things that could do the same thing, but the combination of Skype plus something like the Jambox is going to be a winner for somebody who wants to make conference calls with their iPod Touch. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.